nag 3,000 siya sa may floor kasi nandun daw yung battery. Hello everyone! We're gonna test an electric vehicle right now. Kung gaano kataas ang electromagnetic radiation. So, if it is more than 200, it's already dangerous. Until 1,500 and above, it's already extremely dangerous. Okay? So, let's check.
5,000 plus.
Nasa 2,900.
Where's the battery?
Saan ba yung battery?
Sa ilalim.
Dito? Dito? Pero dito pa lang nasa 2,900. 990.
How much? 2,700.
2,000.
Ayan.
Ayan, nag 3,000 po siya. Naging 3,000 siya. Yun yung pinaka-highest na nakita natin.
Where is the battery located?
Where's the battery?
Under yung...
Ganun kayong floor? Check ko ho. Sa floor daw yung battery. So, ito check natin. Nasa 2,998. Ay, nag 3,000 siya sa may floor kasi nandun daw yung battery. Okay? So, when we turn on the M-Guard, we have this M-Guard here. It actually protects you from the radiation, harmful radiation from the EV. So, when we turn on the M-Guard, as you can see, ang taas niya. But, when we will turn on the M-Guard, what will happen? The reading becomes 0. Amazing! So, ulitin natin. So, may light yan if it is turned on. Off natin. It's 2,900, 2,900. And then when we turn on, it will become 0. Amazing! Now, we'll be checking the EV naman if naka-off siya. Okay, hindi siya naka-power on. Meron pa rin bang electromagnetic radiation? I'll check. Ito yung battery. Meron pa rin po at 2,900. Ayan. So, we'll try to put M-Guard again. What will happen if we have M-Guard? Okay. Nag-0 again. Okay. So, yan. So if you have EV, get yourself an M-Guard.